since we washed it. All right, part 2 of the cleanup of the Yves Saint Laurent bag. It's dry from being washed, and now we're going to condition it. So what I think I'll do is start on this side. It looks pretty good. I mean, honestly, it looks way better than it did when it was covered in black dirt. So we bought this. It was recommended by another YouTuber, and he just said to put it on. And the only reason I'm wearing gloves is because my hands are dirty. So it has to be ugly before it's pretty.
It was very ugly. Like when we washed it, there was a lot of scratchy, stainy kind of look to it, and it all went away when it dried.
Right. I'm assuming that this will all go away too.
That's what this is supposed to be like too. Once
it just needs to absorb in.
It takes about 6 to 8 hours or something. Once it's into it, it brings back all of its luster.
It's absorbing it in though.
Yeah, it's real thirsty right now. It's going to suck it in. We might not have enough. Bought a small bottle.
So far.
But yeah, I mean, you know, you just feed it into the leather like that, and then when you're done, it'll be all soft and gooey. And there's another bottle that comes with this bottle that
it's a cleaner.
A cleaner.
But
so
since we did the
bath
it,
so
with soap and water, yeah, I figure
that's when you have light cleaning, I think, to do, because ours was real dirty. All right, well, we'll just get back to it when this is all dry, and we'll show the next video and see what the purse looks like then. But flip the purse over so we can focus on the Yves Saint Laurent. Where is it? There it is. And it's actually, you know, a high-end item. It was something like $1,200 originally, so we'll see what we can do with it.